Evan wants to build a cabin? He has prepared the necessary equipment. He was skeptical about the quality of the cabin accessories. He searched several companies. He could not find a product of the quality he wanted. His friend gave him an idea by stating that he had worked with SAN before. He logged into sanaccessoir.com. He selected Stelline Luxe from the categories and added the products he wanted to his cart. Evan ordered his chosen product securely and in 12 installments over 12 months. SANAccessoir.com offers the opportunity to order anywhere in Turkey. The products were shipped quickly and delivered to Ahmet. SAN Aksesuar offers 12 different product options in European standards, quality CE certified. For detailed information, sanaccessoir.com